Hi, this is VZ Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to turn off SMS delivery reports on your Xiaomi phone. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. An SMS delivery report notifies us when the SMS has been delivered to the recipient. On Android smartphone, the SMS delivery report is disabled by default, but it can be enabled in the message settings even separately from each SIM card. So, what if you want to disable this feature from your phone? It's very simple. First of all, you can just go to your messaging. Now, you can just go to the settings by tapping on the up right corner on the gear icon in here. You can scroll down. So there is an option delivery status. By default, the delivery status is off. But if you just accidentally turn this on, you can turn this off in here. You can tap on the toggle in here. So now you have turned off, you have disabled this feature from your messaging apps on your Xiaomi phone. It's very simple, right? So that is how to disable delivery reports on your Xiaomi phone. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!